Stop it. Just stop it, okay? Stop doing the, ooh, let's talk about the royal wedding.
Okay.
I have nothing to say about it.
Really?
Really.
Do you wish them well?
Obviously, yes, but I don't know them. Of course I do.
The baby's here, the boy! Hip hip, hooray!
Because the comments that I've made are completely about our culture that silences women's truths and forces us all to hide. And I absolutely did not shame anybody in any way, in fact quite the opposite. So I would say to everybody, there is a wonderful book out at the moment. It's called Feminists Don't Wear Pink and Other Lies.
I still think it's a nonsense really, and so does my wife, by the way. But it just seemed like a nice, cosy thing to do. We've got 3 kids together, we live together, and Nice and close, thank you. Hey guys, a couple of toodles. I'm familiar with this guy. Oh yeah. That's so special, man.